It is very easy to go live in the new Facebook Studio. Let me show you just how simple it is. You can go live from a group, from a business page, or from your profile. Right now I'm going live from within a group. So I've gone to the group, and in this you can paste in what the description for your live would be. I'm just going to put that in, how to go live in the new Facebook Studio. And then you simply click on Live Video and leave. Because now we're leaving and going into the studio itself. Now we're inside the studio and we want to do the simplest go live process by clicking on Use Camera. Now once you click on Use Camera, if you only have one camera, your default camera will come up and you'll see an image down here in the lower right. In this case, I'm actually broadcasting from my studio broadcast platform, so I'm going to change my camera. And for me, it's the XSplit Studio, so now you see that my camera is working. So if your camera is not working, all you need to do is make sure you click until you find the camera that you have that is set up. Now, you also want to check your microphone. Generally, it's going to be your default microphone, and you'll know that it's working if you see a very faint movement up and down when you talk on the blue bar. All right, so we are almost ready to go live. You don't really need to worry about the rest of the settings here. So if you want to, you can take now this image that's here and click the arrows to expand it. And now you can see exactly what the image is going to look like when you go live on a larger scale. So you're almost ready to go live. You can look over here and again double check and see that I'm going to share this in a group and the name of the group that I'm going to share it in. And if you wanted to say anything else about the video in here, you could also paste it. This is just your description once again, pasting in. And then if you wanted to tag anyone to make sure that they did not miss your video, you can tag them by just putting their name in here. If you happen to find the name you want, you can just tag them and they'll get notification that you're doing a live video. Once that's all set up, you're not live yet. You're still in what I call the green room, getting ready to go live. So you can take a look. Do you need to fix your hair or do whatever else you want to do before you get ready? Do you need to have some notes available so you know what you're going to say? All of that is possible before you hit the go live button. You can just really prepare. Once you're ready to go live, all you have to do is come down here to the lower left and click the go live button, and you'll see the countdown. And once it hits the 0, you'll see that little circle whirling over on the left, and it means you are in the process of going live. And once you see the red button down here saying end live video, it means you have gone live. And what I'm saying right now is going live inside my group. Simple to do. Go ahead and say what you have to share with the people who are going to be watching you. If you have any comments come in during the live video, you're going to see them over here in the left-hand column so that you can respond to them. In my case, this is basically a private live I'm doing inside a private group, so I don't expect any response. But when you go live inside your group or on your page or in your profile, you might well see people popping in over here, and they might ask questions or comment on your topic. It's that easy to go live inside the new Facebook Studio. And when you're finished, simply click on End Live Video and you are finished. Just click OK and it's good to go, and you have broadcast your live video.